I'm on my way up to the antique mall to finish the front table display, or the front displays, as I've come to find out yesterday. But before we do that, I want to stop at Crucible and get some coffee. Tori should be here. She's actually right here behind me. Did you just go for it?
No, I'm going on lunch.
No, that's gonna be it. Gosh, it's cold. It's so cold. It looks like the two little white doves sold. They were sitting right there. I'm such a dummy. I left my whole coffee out in the car, so I have to run back out here in the freaking cold. This sweater was not enough. I lied to myself. I don't need a jacket. It's fine. It's fine. The sweater's enough. Why did I do that? Why do I lie to myself like that? I do the same thing in the grocery store. I don't need a cart. Yes, you do. You can't carry it all, Amanda. You need a cart. You need a coat. Oh, and you need your coffee. So I think what I'm gonna do is I need to find more candlesticks, I think. Well, let me move this, I'm sorry. I would like to find more brass candlesticks, and then we still have to style this guy up here, and I'd like to look for more Christmas trees as well. We'll start with some brass though. I was passing by this booth and I had a wild idea. It's not that wild, but I had an idea. She's got a bunch of cookie cutters. I think it'd be really sweet to pick out a few of these and put them in a dish, or like a cake stand, just for a quick grab item. What are they? $1.50 a piece. She's got a bunch of other stuff here too. I think I can find some stuff in this booth, like small things like candle holders and the bowls and maybe some glassware. Let me get those cookie cutters. Like this. This would be great. Just a milk glass compote. She has 75 on it. Here's a snowflake. Oh, a balloon. Not what we're looking for. We're looking for Christmas. What is that? Oh, a reindeer. We'll do that one. Christmas tree, star. I just found the cutest thing ever. For $4, tea strainer teapot. So you put your tea in there, your little loose tea. Here's the top. Oh my gosh, I know exactly who to get this for. This is a perfect Christmas gift for someone I know. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I'm so excited. That's a cool find. I think I found all the not ornaments. Oh my gosh. I think I found all the cookie cutters that I need for this. I was thinking about doing the napkin holders as well, but I don't want to clutter up the space too much. Oh, is that another one? Teapot strainer and underplate. I feel like they're supposed to be together. She has this booth, this booth, this booth, this booth, and this booth. Yep, this one too. This little block right here, it's all the same tag ID. That squirrel is so cute. Is it a plate? A framed plate? Oh, it is. From 1973. Looked like a painting from over there, but I've never seen a plate framed like that. Cute little shell box. I would really like to find some brass. Hopefully it'll sell for you. You have a good day, okay? Thank you, sir. Look at what I found. It is beautiful. Etched brass vase. This has been sitting up on that shelf for who knows how long. I'm very tempted to buy it for myself, but this isn't about me today. I'm gonna put this in the display for one of you lucky people to find it. Remember, I am making this video a little early. Currently, it is the 29th of November, and the holiday open house is this weekend, but I just feel like this is a great deal. It's beautiful. We like a lot of the same stuff. It's gonna be up here for sale in the display for $12.50. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. I need to call and make sure they're cool with me putting it up there first. Hi, this is Amanda at the Factory Antique Mall. So the table, I think I have put together and done, but I'm struggling with that little register stand, and I don't know what to do. See, I think what I'm struggling with, I have the tray up on its side I have the sled up on its side right now, kind of using it as a backdrop to put stuff up against, and I'm starting to think maybe that's not the move. Maybe I put it just flat and then maybe like stack it with Crocs, and then I can do greenery coming out of the Crocs, or like baskets. There's a bunch of baskets that I could work with greenery. Maybe I'll put it flat and then we'll see how we feel about it. Plenty of Crocs that I could use, plenty of baskets. This is how it currently looks. So I'm thinking if I lay it flat, I can then stagger different heights of pots or baskets on top and on like the sides. No, oh my goodness, mine pulled out. That cup off the back and turn it the other way. Like that? Laying it flat's not gonna work. It sticks too far out on the sides. Why am I struggling? Could still do it like that and then do the Crocs. They're getting ready to close, so I just need to head out. My brain's fried anyways. I need to run to the store. I haven't been to the store in over a week, just because, you know, obviously, Thanksgiving, so you're gonna have a ton of leftovers. I don't wanna go to the store, I just wanna go home. It's so cold! We're gonna have meatballs, pigs in a blanket, and shrimp cocktail.
Oh.
Okay. Kitty boy! Oh, you picked up some more Worcestershire. kicking your butt.
Trevor Lawrence was asked if he was excited to face C.J. Stroud twice a year, and or
He's really good on
the
those.
cojones to pimp slap his lineman. That's
Probably
from the
not.
movie Baby Boy. In turnover differential, but number one, when you factor in that Deron Bland houses it every time.
You know it's cold out there, pup, right? You know it's cold out there.
You outside, Suzu?
Tell you.
What I sold today, well, really, it's what Tori sold today. She sold a high-rise pair of jeans for $23. Good night.